Hi guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. The question is that basically should you get a Bachelor of Science in IT or should you get a Bachelor of Science in Computing? But do not get confused with Bachelor of Information Technology. Bachelor of Information Technology is different than a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Watch my video. In that video I explain in detail why Bachelor of Information Technology is more a business focus, where Bachelor of Science in Information Technology is a technical degree. To put a science in a major, you have to put some technicality. So we will focusing on the Bachelor of Science in Computing, not Bachelor of Computing. It's all about science. So this always the question come up. I mean, nowadays you can see some universities start offering Bachelor of Science in Computing or B.Sc in Computing or B.Sc in IT. Most of the people get confused. They don't know which degree to take. 99%, sometimes 1% of the time, the both degree are the same. Bachelor of Science in Computing and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology are the same degree, but even most of the time those degrees are not the same. They have nothing to do with each other. From 50% to 10%, I mean, they are similar, but otherwise they are not. Let's start with Bachelor of Science in Computing, B.Sc in Computing. This is a new degree. To be honest with you, this only few universities in the US start offering, Malaysia start offering, New Zealand start offering, Australia start offering, UK start offering, but rest of the world is not offering this degree. Please leave it in the comment box below. Is your country offering or not? Bachelor of Science in Computing is more of a theoretical degree. They will teach you, I mean, down to the technicality or the technical stuff. They will teach you is web design or web development or PHP or some kind of programming language. Rest of it, even sometimes the database design will not be a technicality, or even they will teach you the networking, the Cisco stuff, the router, the switches, TCP IP stack, OSI layer, STNMP, I mean server block, or that kind of stuff. They will teach you in a theoretical way rather than practical. I mean, you have to do your assignment, but you really have to, I mean, for example, this assignment will be designing a lab for the network in a B.Sc in Computing, but it is more over technique. It will be more over non-technical. I mean, you know, I mean, there should be 2 router, okay? I mean, for example, in a small office you need 3 router. The Wi-Fi signal will be like this. It will be more over non-technical theoretical base, where in Bachelor of Science in IT Information Technology degree, they will not ask you to design a lab. I mean, they can ask you, mostly they will ask you how to configure a router, add the admin stuff, I mean configuration, I mean do from the command line. So Bachelor of IT is more of a technical degree, where B.Sc in Computing is a non-technical degree. My personal bet is that go with a B.Sc in IT. To be honest with you, computing means to compute something, but in reality it's not computing anything. I mean, I remember that when B.Sc in Computing came out, they said that it is gonna be rivaling computer science, but never ever happened. I mean, computing degree have the curriculum, I mean, is non-standardized. I mean, every university just put their own bullshit in it. My personal best stay away from B.Sc in Computing. If you don't know, I joined the Higher National Diploma in System Development and Computing from Pearson. I mean, B.Tech. I mean, I was doing in a distance learning mode. Yes, you can do even the computing stuff in distance learning mode. So I hope you get the point. It's more of a paper based. It's more of a theoretical stuff. I mean, you have to provide some kind of theory. It's more of academic stuff. Where B.Sc in IT, I mean, you get your hand dirty, boy. Man, I mean, of course you have to go into the network. I mean, you have to play with the network. You need to do the programming. You need to do PC repair. Every that kind of stuff you need to do. My personal opinion is that, my recommendation is that just go with the B.Sc in IT, which is much better. I mean, the world is a standard. Every employer will recognize instantly. I mean, yes, Bachelor of IT have a limitation. It have a short shelf life. I mean, from 3 to 5 year. Watch my computer science versus IT degree. But if you get a Bachelor 5 year before, after that you start, I mean, getting certificate, doing the professional education. I mean, in IT you need to, I mean, always studying. You have to invest time and money on yourself for the continuing education. but at least your employer know that you have a bachelor, even you have a bachelor 10 years before in IT. But if you can show some kind of certification with it, then indeed you can get a job. If you show the bachelor, I mean Bachelor of Computing. My friend one of did Bachelor of Computing from the UK Tessa University, but he even can't find a job. The employer told him that you can't, I mean, do the web design, you know Java, but you can't do really good Java code, you don't know networking, you don't know any that kind of stuff, I mean. So basically he is unemployed. But if you get a good Bachelor of Science in IT, indeed you can get. So again, in the conclusion I will say Bachelor of Computing is a more B.Sc, Bachelor of Science in Computing is a more of a theoretical based, paper based, academic based, where B.Sc in IT or Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, or even Bachelor of Science in Information System or Bachelor of Science in Computer Information System, they are both three are the same stuff, I mean. They are technical stuff. You need to do the real hardcore coding, you need to use the SQL or MySQL or Oracle database, you have to do Python, Java, PHP program, you have to build website, you have to get your hand dirty with the networking stuff. You should know, I mean, what is the difference between Cat5e and Cat6. You should know the fiber optic, you should know how to twist up here, you should know the basic PC assembly. That is where the people will teach you the PC assembly. I am always seduced by PC assembly, I mean I love PC repair. PC repair is that I come into IT by freelance PC repair and then get into web development when PC repair was that back in 2009. Still is that, I mean, yeah, we always need PC repair, but I mean there's no money. Who wanna earn $20 for a PC repair, I mean. Anyway, go and get a B.Sc in IT, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, rather than getting a B.Sc in Computing or Bachelor of Science in Computing. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just leave it below and watch my computer science versus information technology video, or watch my electrical engineering versus electronic engineering video, or watch my video computer engineering versus electronic engineering. It's me, Jimmy, a geek. Bye bye.